Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rocode. So in this video we are continue building our co-work space booking system. So in this project in previous video we created the book now functionality, choose the date and the check-in date and the checkout date and the book the room. And after that we have to create the history page. Right now we don't have the history page, so we have to create it. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's build it. So here in the pages folder, create a new file called history. So history.tsx. Okay, RAFCE. Remove the import React part here from here. Okay, and after that in the app.tsx, create a new route for the history. So for that it's going to be route path is going to be slash history like this, and element is going to be history. Okay, from the pages. Yeah. So, yeah, this is the history. And for the history, we have to, we created the history page and we defined the route. And now in the header, so this is the header.tsx. So here, when we click on the history, so create a on click functionality here. On click, when we click on the history, so it navigates us to the history page like this one. Yeah. Okay, let's see it. So this is history. Yeah, you can see we are on the history page. And again, when we book the room and the booking is successful, then this page should be redirected to the history page. So, okay, let's fix that too. So in the room.tsx, when the booking is successful, so here in the const handle room book function, when the okay response dot status is equal to 200, we saw a alert after clicking on OK. So we use the navigate. So for using the navigate, first of all import the navigate here as well. Const navigate, okay, navigate is equal to use navigate, and we import the use navigate from the React Router DOM. Okay, and here, so it's going to be here. So here navigate and navigate to the history. Yeah, that's it. So let's check it if this room booking system is working or not. So the check-in date is going to be like this, okay, and the checkout date, okay. So now book the room, and you can see we have a alert dialog, and it said the check-in date and the checkout date as well as the total price. So in the price, first of all, uh, in the price, this is the total price. So here it's going to be dollar sign, okay. So we have dollar and that much of price. So a space, yeah. And after that, let's continue. So yeah, booking successful. Click on OK, and we are on the history page. Yes. So in the history page, let's make the UI first. So this is the history page, and okay, define the class name. Class name is going to be flex, flex call, and margin top is going to be 10. Okay, and after that, so also create a gap here. So gap is minimum of 5 like this, and after that, so it's going to be show the all the history it has. Okay, so first of all h3 tag, and here it's going to be booking, booking history. It's called like this. And yeah, okay, so we have to make a here px is going to be 4, and also the py is going to be about to 2. Okay, that's great now. And okay, define the class name of the booking history. Text is going to be 2xl. That's right, 2xl. And also the font is going to be semi bold, and then we have a border in the bottom. So okay, let's see the border. Okay, it's going to be like this, and yeah, so we have to define the line height as well. So for the line height, here is a leading, and make the leading 4. Okay, it's too small. Make the leading to the 10, and yeah, now it's good. So also change the color of the border. So if the dark, in the dark, we want the border color to the white. Okay, and otherwise we want the border color to the black. Yes, yeah, it's good now. And after that, so we need the card where we see all the booking history in the card. So for that, let's create a div first, and class name is going to be flex. Flex is call, and the gap is going to be about to 5. And after that, also we need the items to the center. Okay, and then we need all the data. So for the fetching the data, let's go to the booking route, and here you can see we have already a get request and a slash history. So let's go to the history controller. Okay, it's a booking controller, and here in the get history controller, you can see from the user whatever user booked, and find that, remove the versioning and the booked by, and sort the book date by the -1. It means the latest one on the top, and return the history. So okay, we are going to make fetch that data. So for that, we are using the use effect. Okay, it's going to be like this, and empty array dependency, and here we have const fetch history like this, and async. Okay, yeah, and then const response is equal to await fetch data, and from the slash history. Okay, and after that, this is a get request, and yeah, we need to send the authorization, and before sending the authorization we need to fetch the token. So token is going to be here, and remove the local storage dot get item token from there. Okay, it's going to be like this, and in the empty dependency, let's make it a dependency over the token. Okay, so yeah, it's going to be like this, and after that, simply fetch the history, whatever history we have. And okay, let's create a user state here. So const history and the set history. It's going to be like this one, and remove the array from here. Okay, it's going to be like this, and then here let's map the history. So okay, it's going to be like this, and after that we need the card. So for the card, let's go to the sad cn. This is the card, and we have to install the card. So not the yarn npm, and after that let's close this first and install it. Okay, and copy this import, uh, and paste it here. It's going to be like this, and copy this card. Okay, and this card is going to be here like this. Okay, and after that, here it's going to be no history found like this one, and yeah, we have to run the server as well, a development server of React. And yeah, let's see how it's looking right now. We have no history found. So let's see the network tab. This is the network tab. Refresh this page, and we have history. Okay, we have history dot history. So okay, we have to set it as well. If response dot status is going to be like this. Then response.data dot history is going to be set. So yeah, we have two history, one and two. Yeah, so it's look like this. And after that, we have to provide a class name. So width is going to be full. Let's see now. Yes, it's great. And after that, so let's go to the network, refresh this page again. In the history, we have booked room, check-in date, checkout date. Okay, all that. So in the card title here, it's going to be item dot the name of the room. It's going to be like this. Okay, so we don't have the name of the room. So for that, but we have the booked room. Okay, so we have to find the room details as well and then send that data to the front end. Okay, so go to the booking controller and here it's not going to be like this. So here it's going to be like dot sort then dot populate. So we have to populate it from the room. It's going to be room model, yes. So room and we need room name, room type, room price. Okay, like this. So let's check the room model as well. We have room name, type, and okay, all these things and the price. Okay, we also need the room location. Okay, so let's add the room location as well. Okay, and so yeah, that's it. And let's check it out in the here what it's going to be right now. So here we have to change it from booked room. So it's going to be like this because we have booked room in our collection and not the only the room. So let's refresh this page and see we have a history and here in the booked room we have the room ID whatever and the data of the booked room. Okay, so yeah, it's good now and let's set that in the UI. So in the history.tsx, let's set a key first. So key is going to be index. Okay, and here item dot booked room dot name. It's going to be room name. Okay, so you can see we have the room name, and in the description we set the room type. So it's going to be like this: item dot booked room dot room type. Okay, and yeah, we have the private office and the card content. So here in the card content, we need the room location and okay, we need the room location, check-in date, checkout date, and the total amount. Okay, we need all that and also the book date. So let's create in the card content. This is the card content. Remove this one. Create a div, and its class name is going to be flex poll. Yeah, just it and okay, make the items center. Okay, and after that, first of all, we have all these things: check-in date, checkout date, and the total amount. Also, the we have location. Okay. Yeah, so we need the check-in date, checkout date, location, total amount, and the book down. So let's see the UI, and it's look like this. Okay, so we have to remove the item center, make it a start like this, and yeah, it's good now. And the date of check-in and the checkout also on the book down is not formatted in the right format. So we have to format the date. So for that, let's import format from the date FNS. So it's going to be like this. the format, and from date fns. Okay. So now this is the item dot checkin date. It's going to be like this. Format. We have to format the check-in date, and in the format of dd, mm, and the y. Okay, the yy, and also then comma and hh the hours and the minutes. Okay, that's it. So let's see. Yeah, you can see our date is formatted in correct format. So let's do that same for the checkout date and also the book down. Okay. So all the dates formatted in the correct format, and remove the card footer. We don't need the card footer. Okay. And also remove the card footer from the import part. Yeah. And it's look like this: room 1, room A1, and room A1, like this. Okay. And the latest booked room is showed up here in the first. And that's it for today's video. We created a booking history room UI and make some changes in the API. And in the next part of this video, we are going to see some admin work. And also after that, we are going to build the subscription, and also try to implement a PDF feature here when click on the print. So a PDF will be printed of that room receipt or like that. So user can download the receipt from here. Okay. And if you want the source code of this project and want to contribute in this project, so GitHub repo link in the description. Go and check it out. And also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. All links in the description and also flashing on the screen. So thank you.